Hi, my name is Mr. Davis. I'm a teacher here at Transformation Academy here in Shanghai. And we are Team Assisticam. That's our product. And this is one of the students here at the school.
Yeah, my name is Toby, and I've been here for a long time, and he's here for even longer.
So yeah, we just wanted to come together and create a product that would help the elderly or disabled community. And hopefully, as you want to learn about in our project, that we will be able to make a difference in those lives and hopefully inspire others to do the same.
Yeah. So I got this idea from my grandparents, which is, I saw my grandma changing trash bags, and then she had a bad time leaning down, sorry. She had a bad time leaning down to like take out the bags and then throw them away. So my idea is just to have some mechanism that pushes the trash can up, and then I could, just help them in that way.
Here we had our principal use our lift to demonstrate how easy it was. As you can see, we have designed where you push in a pedal on the bottom and it will activate the scissor lift and lift the trash can. So one thing that I wanted to point out here was that Toby designed the entire structure using Fusion 360. He did an amazing job being able to develop and preemptively test the movements and the different pieces and how they were to work, and did all of that. My job was simply to help print the items and give a little bit of feedback and kind of coach him along the way. But he learned all of this and did an amazing job doing it. We wanted to make sure that this was a design that could be used exclusively 3D printed, no other electrical or mechanical work needed. That way this would get the biggest audience to be able to print, and anybody could be able to do it as long as they had access to a 3D printer.
Yeah, so I think the basic idea is to help the elderly, those with back and mobility issues, because I actually know a lot of people who just have problems bending over just because of back issues, and they may be a lot younger. The great thing too is it could be modified if you need to make it a little bit smaller to fit something else, or to make it fit into a more compact space.
Or you can make it larger.
Or yeah, you could even make it larger if you need to. So.
Yeah.